Ever wondered why some people sound like a motorcycle while sleeping? When you sleep, your throat muscles relax. In some people, the airway becomes narrow. As air squeezes through that tiny space, the tissues vibrate, and that vibration creates snoring. Snoring becomes worse if you sleep on your back, have nasal blockage, gain weight, or drink alcohol before sleeping. But loud snoring can sometimes be dangerous. If breathing stops during sleep, it may be sleep apnea. Sleeping sideways, losing extra weight, and treating nasal blockage can reduce snoring.